first ingredient is potato, and I'm using Irish potato. Do not use sweet potato for this recipe. Now, potato contains vitamin C, which will help to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation. It will also help to get rid of blackheads and whiteheads on the skin. It will get rid of dull, rough-looking skin. Another amazing benefit of the potato on the skin is that it helps to tighten and firm the skin. If you're looking for a quick and easy mini facelift at home, you can use the potato starch. So definitely, guys, use up your potato in your homemade skincare recipes. So today I'm going to be using half of a medium potato, and the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to peel the potato since I'm going to be blending. Now, if you do not have a blender, peel the potato and then grate the potato. So now I'm going to peel. Now, once this is done, I'm going to chop my potato in small pieces for easier blending. Next, I'm going to add my potato to the blender, and then I'm going to reach for my next ingredient, which is coffee. Coffee is amazing for the skin. It will help to tighten and firm the skin. It also will help to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. Definitely use up your coffee in your homemade remedies. So now I'm going to pour about 3 tablespoons of the coffee over the potato. And I'm going to blend. Once this is done, take a look. Here I have the blended coffee and potato, and now I'm going to put my facial mask together. So I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of my blended potato and coffee. And then I'm going to reach for the next ingredient, which is some yogurt. If you do not have yogurt, you can use some curd, or you can even use some milk to replace the yogurt. I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of the yogurt, and make sure you're using unsweetened yogurt. You do not need any sugar in this, so do not use sweetened yogurt. And what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna mix, and I'm gonna mix well. So just mix the 3 ingredients together and make sure to get rid of any lumps that you might have. Mix well, make it creamy. You can choose to add a little bit of vegetable glycerin to this, especially if you have a dry skin. So keep blending, and now we're gonna add our next ingredient, which is some grapeseed oil. And I'm going to pour this in. If you do not have grapeseed oil, use any of your favorite oil in this recipe. And we're going to mix again, and we're going to mix well. So just keep mixing until everything is totally blended together. Once this is done, we're going to reach for our small container, and we're going to pour this in our small jar. You want to make sure to use a jar with a tight cover and a wide open mouth, because once you put this in the refrigerator, it's going to get very, very thick. So here we have our skin brightening facial mask that's going to get rid of dark spots and blemishes on the skin. It's also going to have to tighten and firm the skin, hydrates the skin, and leave the skin just looking younger, fairer, and fresher. So you want to use this mask on clean skin. Wash your face, apply the mask to your skin, let it sit on the skin for about 30 minutes, and then you're going to rinse off, preferably with some warm water, pat dry the skin, and then you apply your favorite facial products. You can choose to use this mask at least 2 to 3 times per week on the skin and store it in your refrigerator for up to 7 days.